Hello all viewers, and a big thank you to all of you that have hit the subscribe button. Now we're leaving the Långviksskär area, and it's going to be a little more interesting than I wanted it to be. Andreas is leaving before me. The cliff he was staying on is midship of my boat, and remember that to later. Here I lean back to get some more strength when I'm pulling. I want some good speed on the boat against the wind, to get more time to clear the cliff that Andreas was staying on. Remember, it's midship of my boat. Why are we not moving? Shit. When you boat thruster washing the cliffs, it's a little bit too close. I have had this problem since I changed the anchor line. It seems to happen when I have the line really tight over the night. Then let the boat float out so it's no tension on the line when I start pulling it in. It's going to be a bit windy tonight, and if I remember right from the last time we were here, the bottom was not the best.
Har det fastnat bra? Ja, tången har ju fastnat bra i alla fall.
Ja, tången sitter fint.
Ja. Ta ett bottenprov. Gott om tång.
Tillbaks.
Vi ska bara lämna ankaret till snart.
Ta det.
Looking a last time on the weather. You can't see it in the water, but it is a bit windy. The wind is coming from the open field. Here I'm looking for attachment points. And I think there are iron loops in the rock. I want to secure the boat as fast as possible when I get to shore. Now I found it and know where to aim. The cliff on the other side of the open field is much better protected. I maybe move over there later. Here I want some speed to build up lots of kinetic energy, so the wind don't push me sideways. Then I lock the anchor with the remote. Then I fast run ashore to attach the boat to the loop.
Jag kan ju få göra om du vill.
The lady on the boat asked if she could help me, and I said yes please.
Jag har gjort det några gånger förut.
Men jag tänkte, jag seglar så själv jag också, så det ibland är det skönt att man tar emot.
Ja, det är sant. Det brukar vara skönt.
Men det hade jag inte behövt. Men det var ju bra.
Vi ska ta det igenom den där.
I always take the rope upwind by myself, because you never know if the people that's going to help you know how heavy this boat is in the wind. If I'm going to stay here over the night, I need a spring line, because the wind is coming from the field over there.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.